Hey folks, this is Anupam back again. Today I'm going to talk about something which one of my friends he requested. What is schema for read and how do we do that with stream intelligence? So I thought I'll drop a quick video on what is it, why schema on read works better instead of schema on write, and how we use it with stream intelligence. So let's get going. All right, so I've created this quick slide deck. Basically, people have been doing schema on write for 30-40 years now. The key message is with the schema on write is ETL copies. Schema is logged at the time of your writing. Any backend changes, obviously we have to make the changes all through the pipeline. The biggest problem now is especially with AI models and agents, they are acting at a velocity where they need data which is real time, or otherwise their insights as well as actions will be not relevant anymore within the time window. So that's where things are shifting. Schema on write, basically the way it works is rebuild on every backend change, one schema which feeds all the users. And to me, the problematic one is security gets stripped at the time of copy. You're dumping tables and stripping out all the security authorizations which are built in. So that's where the copy brings the vulnerability, and that's where you would have heard zero replication approach. That's the direction a lot of technology companies are also taking. The wave 2 or 3, basically the wave 2 started with the lakehouse architectures, which provides for schema on read. It brings agility because you're not defining what you will be querying on at the time of write. It supports multiple view. It gets decided based on who wants data, and they can get a slice and dice, and then the security is maintained. What do we do for supporting this? We support both schema on read for lakes as well as schema on read for streams. So that's the difference which is there. Most of the wave 2 is built on schema on read for lakes, but since last year or so, we have started supporting schema on read for streams as well. So any data lake which you are working with, whether it's Azure, AWS, or GCP, or even your vanilla network file share, we will be able to support. So that's basically a shift in architecture. It's not just a feature. Wave 1 mostly is schema on write. You're trying to rebuild SQL tables. Wave 2 is basically schema on read on the open architecture which lakes provide, and the wave 3 is streaming with schema on read. All right. I hope you find this useful.